Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this. And while I was loading, I thought I'd play around with it just to show you how easy and things can be. I've opened up my transform or transformation docker. Got it set on 30 degrees, 11 copies because I want 12. I've got my center rotation in the center. I'm going to hit apply. Almost makes a flower. Let's go to the boundary tool and make a boundary and move it over. And then let's weld it, or not weld it, let's contour the outside 2 inches. Let's go up to object, break contour apart. Let's take that one, let's nudge it over twice this way. Now let's contour it back to the inside 2 inches. And what that did, it almost conformed to the exact shape of our flower. Now I'm going to take this one and break the contour apart. Let's nudge it. We'll only grab one of them. Let's just delete the outside one. Color this one blue. Nudge it over to our flower. Go up to, if it is a flower, order back a page, and you've got a pretty neat looking design. Really simple, really quick. And one thing you could also do with this, it would be to group it all together, Control G. Open up the shape docker, get your twirl. Let's set it, we know that thing is, let's see how big it is, 20 inches. We'll make our swirl tool 22 inches or anything in between. Click on it and then put it like right in the middle and start twirling it. Pretty neat design, pretty, because it's got two colors. And, if you didn't start in the center, you're going to twirl from the whatever's inside the circle. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.